Hi, I'm Rebecca, and today I'm going to a laughter yoga session. What is that? I have no idea. So let's go and find out. We all like to laugh, but what makes us laugh is very difficult to define. We laugh when we find something funny or when we're having fun. But we also laugh when we're nervous or embarrassed. It's a way of both enjoying and surviving life's challenges. But laughter expert Lotte Mikkelsen also says you can make laughter happen. And we should do this because it has the ability to improve our lives. Hello, Lotte.
Hello.
Today, Lotte is going to give me my first ever laughter yoga lesson. So what are we going to do and when do we start laughing?
Well, first we'll do some breathing exercises and then we'll go into the laughter routine. Does that sound good?
Sounds great.
Fabulous.
Lotte runs laughter yoga clubs, training and workshops all over the country. Each session begins with some breathing exercises, just like a regular yoga class.
Are you ready?
But then the laughter begins. At first, we pretend to laugh, and this can feel uncomfortable. But you can pretend, and before long, that uncomfortable laughter becomes real, spontaneous laughter. Okay, that was great. But what's actually happening? Why is laughter so good for you?
Laughter is good for the body and the mind. When you laugh, you release endorphins and it makes you feel good. Your heart rate increases and it lowers your blood pressure. So the effects are very similar to gentle exercise and you get a nice workout. It's also good for stress. When you laugh, you can't think of anything else. So it's a great way to forget your worries and learn to cope with ups and downs of life. And laughing together creates great connections and it makes it easier to be with friends and family and colleagues.
Laughter clubs like these are now popular all over the world. Workplaces have laughter workshops to reduce employees' stress levels. And there are now laughter clubs in many towns and cities where people can meet and make friends.
Let's finish with a breath.
There's even a World Laughter Day every year in May, when people come together to laugh and be happy. It's easy to see why events like this are so popular. My stress levels are lower, my happiness levels are higher, and according to scientists, even my memory has improved. Laughter really is the best medicine.